Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, which state UT will host ELO India Winter Games 2025? A. Uttarakhand, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Ladakh, D. Both B and C. The right answer is option D. Both B and C. Next question, which country has won the 28th Asian Women's Handball Championship 2024? A. India, B. Nepal, C. Japan, D. Sri Lanka. The right answer is option C. Japan. Next question, which country will host the FIFA World Cup 2034? A. India, B. Japan, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Italy. The right answer is option C. Saudi Arabia. Next question, who is the brand ambassador of Coco World Cup 2025? A. Abhishek Bachchan, B. Salman Khan, C. Rajkumar Rao, D. None of the above. The right answer is option B. Salman Khan. Next question, where will the 2025 World Para Athletic Championship be held? A. India, B. South Korea, C. Japan, D. Malaysia. The right answer is option A. India. Next question, who won the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy in 2024? A. Mumbai, B. Hyderabad, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Delhi. The right answer is option A. Mumbai. Next question, who is the world's youngest female para swimmer to cross the English Channel? A. Anamika Sharma, B. GRI, C. Dhinenidi Disangu, D. None of the above. The right answer is option B. GRI. Next question, Neeraj Chopra won the silver medal in javelin by throwing how many meters at Paris 2024 Olympics? A. 87.22 meters, B. 88.11 meters, C. 89.45 meters, D. 89.9 meters. The right answer is option C. 89.45 meters. Next question, how many medals have been won by India at the 17th Paralympic Games in Paris? A. 26, B. 29, C. 32, D. 36. The right answer is option B. 29. Next question, which country has hosted the Asian Games maximum number of times? A. India, B. Thailand, C. South Korea, D. China. The right answer is option B. Thailand. Next question, which country has won the Sultan Azila Shah 2024 title? A. India, B. Japan, C. Indonesia, D. South Korea. The right answer is option B. Japan. Next question, which country will host the 2027 FIFA Women's World Cup? A. USA, B. India, C. France, D. Brazil. The right answer is option D. Brazil. Next question, who wear India's flag beads during the closing ceremony at the Paris 2024 Olympics? A. PV Sindhu and Sharat Kamal, B. PR Srijesh and Manu Bhaskar, C. Manpreet Singh and PV Sindhu, D. None of the above. The right answer is option B. PR Srijesh and Manu Bhaskar. Next question, which state hosted Khelo India Youth Games 2024? A. Kerala, B. Goa, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. Next question, which country won the 2024 J19 Cricket World Cup title? A. India, B. Australia, C. New Zealand, D. Pakistan. The right answer is option B. Australia. Next question. Which state won the National Men's Kho Championship title in 2024? A. Gujarat, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Kerala. The right answer is option C. Maharashtra. Next question. Pramod Bhagat is related to which sports? A. Tennis, B. Badminton, C. Hockey, D. Cricket. The right answer is option B. Badminton. Next question. Which country will host 2025 Asian Winter Games? A. China, B. India, C. Japan, D. Indonesia. The correct answer is option A. China. Next question. Which university topper the medal tally the 4th Kilo India University Games 2024? A. Punjab University, B. Chandigarh University, C. Kalangi University, D. Guru Nanak University. The right answer is option B. Chandigarh University. Last question. Which country has won the Uber Cup 2024 title? A. India, B. South Korea, C. Indonesia, D. China. The right answer is option D. China. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.